what do we have here, my friend?
In theory, all of the components that I need to run dual caliper hydro handbrake in my vehicle. So we have got a CNC 402A handbrake assembly, and we've got a second set of calipers in these boxes. Got a random flexible brake hose that the nice man at Napa took a half hour to find. Dual caliper mounting brackets from TXR Motorsport Performance? I don't know. Got them through Retro Turbo Motorsports. And this is a homemade bracket to mount the actual handbrake to my seat.
$600 worth of rear wheel locking goodness.
Yeah. And we have, how much time? 2 hours?
Couple hours, yeah.
We have about 2 hours before a drift event. So we're going to try to piece this all together and hope it works.
It looks good. Like,
Does it?
it'll be sick.
I wasn't sure about the black. I don't know, the silver, the kind of unfinished aluminum that this comes as isn't super good looking. So I just kind of painted it black.
Yeah, I think that looks clean. Clean.
I think it looks pretty sweet. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Ooh.
That's gonna work. Alright. Let's chuck this on the bracket. See how it looks inside the car. So I made the bracket to fit up to my seat mounting holes. So I have one down here, which actually mounts my seat rail to the floor. And then I have one on the side here. So I've got a hole down here and a hole right there. And then that kind of slots in. And hopefully this all lines up.
Well, I think that's a really good way of doing it because a lot of people, it looks like they like cut sections of the.
Let's say I wanted it to stay
the
kind
center
of clean
console.
because
Yeah.
it is. I do still have full interior. It is still a street car.
Ooh. Full interior.
Hey,
Ooh.
that's nice. That's like rock solid on there too. Okay, let's see how bad this reverse.
Let's reverse
So
it,
that's first.
oof.
It's pretty bad. I think that is.
At least
reverse,
it gets in reverse though.
I think that's reverse. Yeah. Yeah.
Just
Can't even
sitting
see
right
any of the
there.
bracket, which is good.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Dude.
And I can always just kind of check my
off.
fluid.
Yeah.
Or if I'm thirsty.
Oh my god. Not okay.
All right, we're done. Let's go.
Now I gotta. Now we just gotta run some lines, right?
Yeah.
And put the rear calipers on, brackets, and add fluid and bleed it. But other than that,
Easy. If not, we might have to do the old squat.
oh my god. Drop it, you're good to go. Gee,
Proper technique.
that did not. God, yeah. Time to get scientific. Oh my god.
I don't like that. I think. Oh, I can just pull my rotor off. That'll make things like 8 times easier. Over there. Beautiful. Got factory. And just about as close as you can get to factory. Oh boy.
So while he's figuring that side out, I've just been over here And then I'm sure once he's done with that side, this side will take like 5 minutes. Running lines I'm sure will take a bit, but...
Yeah, run lines, bleed it, drive, and then it'll work flawlessly at the drift event.
Exactly. There will be 0 leaks.
0 leaks, 0 more hiccups.
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna go smoothly.
After this point, and we will get there on time.
Absolutely.
Before the gates open. Well, regardless, we'll have something that looks like it works inside the car. So
It'll be a poser.
that's all that matters, really.
Honestly, that's all that I care about is looking like I have a hydro. It's my goal.
All 4 calipers are in on the rear. Completely done. Except for, well, all the lines. But we have another 20 minutes until we need to leave, so he's thinking we might just call it. Drift this event with no locking rears.
No functional hydro.
Yeah, true. He's just
Technically, I do have one now.
Oh my god. Just gonna stunt with a lever and calipers, but no lines. So I guess we'll hit it up again in the future.
Yeah, I'll probably run lines some other day. Next day I have off work, probably Sunday or something.
Yeah.
I have angle mods in my car now.
Ooh, haven't been tested yet.
I have knuckles that I haven't tested out yet. I've never drifted with them yet. Super excited. I have a new 5-speed in the car now,
Ooh.
as opposed to the 4-speed. So I've been working on this thing a little bit. Just haven't been able to test anything out. So.
Damn, bro. Knob's got a 5 on it.
Yeah.
Got 6 calipers on your car.
Grippy tires on the front now too.
Oh, true.
Literally so much
We
has
got
gone by.
lots to test.
Yeah.
Angle mods, grippy tires, 5-speed. Then the next event will be test of the functional hydro.
Of the jack.
Jesus. You want me to lift it?
No, that's fine.
There you go.
It is.
Plenty of room to work now.
Oh, wait. We now have the lines run from each caliper to the T, all the way up to where the handbrake master cylinder will be. You can just show them. Got the line just poking through. And that line's gonna get trimmed. I'm gonna put all the e-brake stuff back in. Make the last flare, last connection, and then...
Hey, now for the centerpiece.
Gloss black.
Ooh, the shiny dome.
This one's definitely going to be the worst of them all, because I have to work in between this space.
True.
I mean, I could remove all of this.
No.
Take out my dash again.
No.
But I would honestly probably rather die than do that. It should be ready to go, but there's thread sealer that we had to use, and that takes 72 hours to dry. So I guess we can't put fluid in it for 72 hours or apply pressure to it. So I guess I'll just cruise around for 3 days with a hydro that doesn't work. And in 3 days we'll fill it up with fluid and bleed it. And then go, test it out, I guess.
It all went together really well, though.
Yeah. The lines, we followed the factory routing of the brake lines, which is really nice. Yeah, it's not really close to anything dangerous. It's pretty sweet. I'm stoked.
2 calipers, oh my god.
Now we just need to make it work.
We'll be soon.
Hopefully.